Hello, my friends. As you know, I already launched the GAP, Simple Steps to Reclaim Your Health and Reverse Most Chronic Disease. Please save somebody's life by sharing this book. This is an amazing book you can't find anywhere else. I try to collect this information from amazing top experts, medical doctors, health practitioners, functional medicine practitioners. I also have nurse practitioner inside the book, energy healing. We talk about chronic disease, autoimmunity disease, and how actually your body connect to your mind and how different parts of your body connect to each other to create you. Maybe you have this question: can we gain recovery from chronic disease by removing symptoms? Why are symptoms coming back again? How to optimize health by optimizing breathwork? I have great author in this book. Her name is Dr. Daphne Neyman. She's going to talk about breathwork. She's regenerative medical doctor and anti-aging doctor. As you see in this book, we have 3 medical doctors who are also working in regenerative medicine. This is an amazing science, and I love talking to these great people. We have Dr. Daphne Neyman, we have Dr. Jordana Queen, and Dr. Tara Scott, all of them working in regenerative medicine in different branches. Dr. Tara Scott works in fertility, and she's a medical doctor, gynecologist, and functional medicine practitioner. Amazing value in this book about PCOS, endometriosis, why you cannot get pregnant. Is there any way and any science behind it, how you can resolve it? And we also have Reed Davis, the president at Functional Diagnostic Nutrition Incorporation. We have Selena Rothenberg. If you have a kid who is suffering from autoimmunity, or anybody who is suffering from autoimmunity disease, please share this information with them. Selena is a functional medicine, functional diagnostic nutrition practitioner, and her work is mostly with kids and autoimmunity. She also talks about genome and genetics. Let's say you have diabetes from your generation coming to you. Please read this and find the answer to your questions. We have as I said, Dr. Jordana Queen. She's board certified in physical medicine rehabilitation with specialty training in regenerative medicine, functional medicine, anti-aging medicine. These are amazing top experts. Fiona Mo, she is a nurse practitioner, functional medicine practitioner. She talked about her story with her 2 kids and how she recovered. She helped them with functional medicine from the chronic disease, eczema, and help her non-verbal baby. And she's talking right now. It's amazing. It's amazing. You cannot find this information anywhere else. During these days, I talked to so many people. There are cancer survivors. There are people who have chronic disease for a long time. People who got some disease after their pregnancy. And I see there are some missing pieces there. And you can share this information with them. Please. If you know someone who struggle with this kind of disease, please share this information. You cannot find it anywhere else. We are on promotion on Amazon, and this promotion gonna be ended very soon. So I don't want to miss this opportunity. In health and peace, and see you soon.